Hello. In this video lecture we're going to go over a quick tutorial on how to use the website khanacademy.org. So Khan Academy is a website that is full of tutorials and video lectures that are particularly useful in a flipped classroom setting. Now, a flipped classroom is a style of teaching where video lectures are recorded and assigned to students for homework, and during class time, students and teachers will go over examples and applications and go over more traditional homework assignments. So again, more examples and applications rather than direct instruction in the classroom. Now, this style of teaching is particularly useful in a math setting because it's often more useful to use the time you have with the teacher in class going over examples than it is to use that time for direct instruction and lecturing, because often the information that you get in a lecture or during direct instruction is nothing special. You can do it on your own at home and look at view a video, watch a video, and you'll be able to fast forward, rewind, slow down in your own time, and it's helpful there. And in class, you'll spend time with your teacher going over tougher examples. So as you can see, I'm on Khan Academy's website right now. You can make an account here, teachers, parents. We're going to start by just choosing our subject. So as you can see, they have tons of different subjects, even art and humanities, economics, but we're going to focus on math. So let's just start. Again, they have by subject or by grade. We will go to, let's go to 8th grade. So it brings you to a menu here where you can explore. You can go look at specific classes. Here you can practice. These are like quizzes, homeworks, tests. You can view their mission. Oh, we can't view their mission unless we sign in. That's alright. First, we will just explore. So, start from the basics, practice your next tests, let us guide the way. These are features of the website. Let's check out a category that they have. So these are the categories, and these are the I don't think these are lessons, we'll see, but I think these are even more subdivided categories. So let's go to linear equations and functions. And again, alright, let's click on slope. See where this brings us. Loading. Well, I think we could just, okay, scroll down instead. Learn about the slope of a line and the slope formula here, and these are all their different videos. I think these are practice checkpoints. These are probably, we'll check it out ourselves. Yeah, this is another checkpoint practice. So let's look at a video, for example. And this is the style, and I'll start playing the video. And you can hear Sal talk for a
So let's think for a second about what slope means. So if you use the word slope in your everyday life, you're really talking about how inclined something is.
Like you can turn off the captions.
So for example, this orange
you can pause it.
Line isn't inclined at all, it's flat. So this one actually has a slope of 0. Another way of thinking about it
you
is,
can also speed it
as
up.
x increases, what is happening to y?
If you feel confident with the material,
isn't changing at all. So this orange line right now has
slow down if you don't feel comfortable with the material.
If the orange line looked like this, it now has a positive.
So that gives you a bit of a flavor of the lectures that he does. And again, they have tons and tons and tons of material here. So this is going to be particularly useful if I assign a video lecture that you don't quite understand as well, the way I presented it. You can, if you don't quite get something, you don't really like the way I explained it, hop onto Khan Academy. I can suggest a video for you to watch. You can explore yourself and really just use it as a resource for a second opinion, if you will, a second explanation of any material that we go over that I didn't quite go over well enough, or it didn't click with you. So here's this, almost having a second teacher. So we'll go over this more in the future. We'll be using it a lot when we use a flipped classroom style of teaching. So thank you for listening. Hope you learned a lot.